Come with me today as I go to the Cheesecake Factory. I am going to be trying the best thing on the menu at the Cheesecake Factory and the worst thing on the menu at the Cheesecake Factory. I haven't been here in a good minute. I used to come all the time. It's a Sunday afternoon. The restaurant is pretty empty. Maybe because it's kind of early, so it's like brunch time. So it's around 12:45. So as you can see, it's a little bit of a line, but I didn't have to wait long at all, maybe 5 minutes, and I was able to go straight to my table. The service here is always pretty good, so I can't complain about that. I was going to be seated next to a big party. I don't really like that about the Cheesecake Factory, like with the little benches and you have to sit next to people, but I make it work. So here's our waiter giving us recommendations.
It's going to be appetizer pages, so we do have small plates and snacks. It's going to be smaller portions of what we normally got going on.
Okay.
Pretty good options on there. I like the stuffed mushrooms, the avocado tacos, cream pie cauliflower is pretty good. And on our appetizer page, more popular things are going to be the avocado egg rolls, the fried macaroni and cheese balls, which is one of my favorites, and then the Thai lettuce wraps. It's kind of a
I was thinking about that. I was thinking about that.
And the lettuce, grilled chicken, then you got all your veggies, beans, sprouts, carrots, cucumbers, cilantro, all that good stuff. It comes with some dipping sauces on the side.
How is the fried calamari? Is that something that people get a lot or
Of course,
no?
yeah. Calamari is pretty good. That one comes inside a cocktail sauce, tartar sauce, and lemons on the side. Pretty solid choice.
So as you can see, those were all good options. I went for the beet salad. It is so good. Beet salad with feta and some oranges. I added some avocado and some red onions and a nice vinaigrette. We also got the garden salad and we got some fried zucchini. The fried zucchini is a little bit on the well done side, but it turned out to be pretty tasty. But the salad, the beet salad with the mixed greens and the radishes and the oranges and the vinaigrette, that is delicious. You must try that salad when you go. One thing I will add the next time that I get that salad, I will add some avocado. So I like to add healthy fats to my salad. I don't know why I didn't think of that then, but that's what I would get in the future. But other than that, the salad is a 100% thumbs up. I had the best mocktail. It's the tropical ginger cooler. Fresh ginger, a splash of soda, and lime juice. When you go to Cheesecake Factory, you have to try the ginger mocktail and the beet feta red onion salad. So delicious. Now, again, the fried zucchini was a little on the well done side, but it was really good because it had a crisp taste to it. And I was contemplating whether to get the calamari, but I didn't really want any fish. So this kind of gave me a fish flavor a little bit, but without the fish, if that makes sense. Because the breading on the zucchini is similar to the breading on the calamari. So overall, I'm very happy. Now here are the entrees. The best entree on Cheesecake Factory menu is the Shrimp Scampi. The Shrimp Scampi is the best entree on the menu. This Caribbean jerk shrimp situation with these black beans, look at this. What's wrong with this plate? The black beans are too soupy and the jerk shrimp also has a heavy sauce, which makes the whole plate wet and makes my spinach soggy, and it doesn't have a good look or a good presentation. The Shrimp Scampi, best thing on the menu. Shrimp Scampi, thumbs up, subscribe for more.